Welcome to another 3D printing tech tip from GoEngineer. My name is Joseph. Today I want to walk you through how to export the modes and configs folders for your PolyJet 3D printer. I'm going to be using the desktop, but it can apply to most all PolyJet printers. When your technician asks you to do this, here's a little help on how. You're going to need a USB stick and plug that into the back of your PolyJet printer. Usually the USB drive is next to the power cable. Okay? Now on the printer computer, you can go into My Computer, the C drive, and either an Alaris or Objet folder. Then you will find the configs and the modes folders. You can right-click on those and send them to that USB drive that you plugged in the back. And I like to come back to that folder. I like to come back to that drive just to make sure they saved in properly. Now we can eject that USB stick and we're ready to go. There is another way to save out these files in case your hard drive fails on your PolyJet printer. You will need to come over to the computer that is plugged up to the printer, go to the C drive, and under the Objet or Alaris folder, you can also find a copy of the modes and configs folders. Save those out. These can be used to restore the calibrations on your printer if there's a computer or hard drive failure. Your technician will guide you through how to do that should you ever need to. This video, I hope it helps to find these files that can sometimes be in crazy locations. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to the technical support team. You can find our number on GoEngineer.com. Please like and subscribe to this video so you can continue to get all of these future 3D printing tech tips. Thanks so much. Have a great day.